My name is Bharat Chaudhary. Welcome to the Branch 3 Edmonton.
Yeah, what do you do? Hose and fittings.
From the order desk to the order pickers, receiving, industrial assemblies, hydraulic assemblies. We have an amazing team here.
When you call Greenline Hose, you will be talking to somebody with at least a dozen years experience in the hose business, if not more.
People are so nice, management, staff, everybody is so friendly.
I take a lot of pride in what happens in the building and the people that work here.